There are some apps on our Android phone that actually consume much more of our phone battery, and as a result, they make our phone battery to drain within a twinkle of eye. And in this video, I will show you some of the apps that you need to stop right now in order to improve your phone battery and overall network performance of your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to most of the app you use mostly on your Android phone. So you have to make sure you locate them one after the other. So for you to do that, let's, for instance, I mostly use this particular app right here, Alipay app. So what we need to do, the trick is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing we need to do is to click on app info. Then it's going to take us right here. Then the next thing we need to do right here is to go to battery. Then under the battery right here, we have three options here. The first one here is unrestricted. The second one here is optimize. Optimize based on your usage recommended for most apps. Then last one right here, restricted. What we need to do right here is to click on restricted. Restricted battery use while in background app may not work as expected. Notifications may be delayed. So that does not stop you from using the app. So let's simply exit from the app. Now, if I open the app again, you can see now the app started to load. Now, when I'm using this app now, it's going to consume less of my battery. So we can simply exit from the app. Then we can go on and check some other apps that we use mostly, like this app right here, Chrome browser. I use my Chrome browser mostly for my browse. So I'm going to simply click and hold down. Then I'll go to app info. The next thing what I'm going to do here is to go to my battery right here, and I'm going to restrict it also. Then I can simply go back, exit from here. If I open up my Chrome, it's still going to load without any stress. So these are the best way to solve the problem of battery drain on your Android phone. And you can go on and on, like I said, you can go on and check most of the app you use on your Android phone. Then one more trick I would like to show you here is under your notifications. So what we want to do here is to simply head over to our phone settings, because most time notification, different types of notification pump up can cause our battery drain quickly on our Android phone. So I'm going to simply head over to my notifications right. So I'm going to simply head over to my settings right here. Then from settings right here, we need to simply scroll down and we make sure we look for app management. So click on that. Under the app management, we make sure we go to app list. Here we have all apps that we have on our Android phone. You can scroll down. So the more apps you have, the more everything is going to load up right here. Now, what we want to do here is to control some of the notifications of this app. So if you have any of the app that give us any annoying notification that can simply cause our battery drainage, what we need to do is to simply select on the app and turn them off. So like for instance, Amazon shopping app, I'm going to simply click on it. Then notification, I'm going to simply click on it. Then it's going to take me right here. So I will simply turn off all notification from here. And this is another great way to stop battery drainage of your Android phone. Then the very last one right here, I'm going to show you. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. So after you have successfully enabled your developer mode on your Android phone, Next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on search. Then type in developer. Then you have developer options. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, all the way down, and make sure Wi-Fi scan trolling is turned on. So turn on this particular button right here. So this settings also reduce battery drain and improve overall network performance on your Android phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are some of the apps that drain your phone battery and the best solution to solve the problem in order to enjoy your Android phone battery lifespan without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.